Hey guys, this is going to be a good one, okay? This is going to be a good one. It's kind of late, it is, but I had a question in my mind that I wanted to speak on, and I want you guys. I'm probably going to do this little part, and then we're gonna I'm gonna do the other part because I'm actually cooking right now. It's a little late in the evening from what I normally would do, but guys, I got a good one for y'all, okay? So it's gonna go like this. If you have already put in your home decor up, your Christmas tree and all of that jazz, right? And your husband. So this, okay, first of all, how y'all doing today? Okay, how's everybody doing? Hope everybody has had an eventful day, a good day, a marvelous day, an amazing day, okay? So I don't know, I just kept saying, what can I do I wanted this video not to be like too short, but I did want to get y'all another Vlogmas vlog. So I was like, let me just ask them some questions. So this is the question. Let me go back. Whether it's your husband, it's your wife, boyfriend or girlfriend, okay? What if you guys got the house decorated, the tree is put up, you got lights on the ground and all those good things, and then say it's been a couple of weeks, and then all of a sudden your partner comes home, whether it's one of the ones that I said, husband, wife, boyfriend or girlfriend, right? So you guys are just, come home from a day's work and everything is good, and then all of a sudden your significant other says, you know what, we got to take this tree down, we got to take all these decorations down because I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to buy any gifts. Let's just tell the children that there is no Santa and that we have to take everything down, and we'll just still buy them gifts, but we have to just let them know. How many of y'all would be mad? By the show of hands. I would really like to know. I need y'all to really comment in this video and let me know, what would you do? And just say the person, whether it's male or female, they had a valid reason and a valid truth behind why you should not do it. And y'all already got all this stuff up, and y'all already made all these plans, and you have guests coming over and things like that. How many of y'all would be able to go along with it? And just say if they had valid points why they don't want to do it. What would y'all do? Really? I really need to know your honest opinion. Even if you didn't want to do it. And you just said, you know what? I'm just going to bite the bullet. I'm going to listen to them. And I got to just follow lead. Would you be really pissed off? And just say you guys were giving gifts, say you guys were giving gifts to one another, and all bets were off. There was no gift exchange or anything. You guys would do it later on, afterwards or before. How would y'all feel about that? I think that's a good question. That's a really good question. I need y'all to really let me know in this video. What would you do? How would you take this? Is this one of those things where it's all hands on deck? This is the last straw. This is not happening. We're going to get a divorce. We're going to break up. Oh my God, I can't get anything. Are you going to have a tantrum? What would you guys do? So with that being said, I need y'all right now. I don't know how many minutes we're working on right now. I need you to comment in this video right now. Is all bets off the table? Done deal or what? We're going to go into an intermission, and I'm going to come right back. All right?
Will be a very special Christmas for me.
All right, guys, we are back with part 2 of the video. So I'm asking y'all this because actually that kind of happened to somebody I know. And I said I'll just share it with y'all just to see, you know, how you guys would take it and how you guys feel about a situation like that. You know, what would you really do? But y'all, today has been a very eventful day. I've been home for a little while, and I'm actually cooking me something to eat. And like I said before, I hope you guys have been enjoying all the Vlogmas vlogs. I'm just giving y'all whatever goes on in my life, whatever goes on in the day, whenever I can get a break, whenever I can go to the store, whatever it is, that is what I am bringing y'all. So I'm going to just show y'all 2 pieces of clothing that I end up picking up. And y'all know I don't really do pink, but I have pink in a pair of my pajama pants. So I thought this would be nice. This is from Target, and this is the universal thread. And y'all know it has like that deep, can y'all see like the deep cut that I actually like? And it has the seam in the back of the shirt. So y'all know this is like the other stuff that I've been getting, them other shirts. So I thought this would be really, really nice to wear it with my pajama pants, or wear it working out for the summer that's going to be coming up, spring or whatever, or with the pants that I got. So here it is right here. I absolutely like that. Love it, love it, love it. And there's the seam. Yes, it's cotton. If you wonder what's the size, it is a size small, if you guys can see. And then I got these pants. Y'all know I love these. These are the 90s baggy jeans. And y'all know I really like stuff like this. Now, they are a size 10, so they're too big, okay? But I think I can get away with them, and I can rock them with a belt, or not with a belt, because like I said, they are the 90s baggy, and they have like the distress here. And y'all already know. Y'all see that? Y'all see the button fly with the buttons? How many buttons we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to check and see if my other jeans have the, does it have 4 or 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think the other one, my other ones might have 5 in them. I'm not 100% sure, but these are what I picked up. And like I said, they're size 10, but this is the name of them. They have the pockets in the back. Just put your little cell phone, put your little hands, and then they have the pockets in the front. Really nice, y'all, really nice. Did I need another pair of jeans? No, I did not. Now, either I'm gonna keep these, or I'm going to gift them to someone. But the shirt, the t-shirt tank, I love. I like. So guys, I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but I just thought I would come here, give you guys something instead of like, don't give you nothing. And then y'all be like, Sonia, where are you? You missed the day. But yeah, I'm trying to think if I can answer some questions. In one of my videos, I don't know if it was this channel. I think it was this channel. Someone was asking me, was I joking about the lead? No, I was not joking about the lead. And I did go look for the letter, and I can't find it, y'all. I just can't find it. I actually think what I did was I read the letter and was mad. I knew I wasn't going to do like the scan thing that they wanted us to do. I knew I wasn't going to do that. So I end up putting it in the trash. I tore it up, put it in a recycle bin, because all that does is like make you more upset. And that's like more you're going to be thinking about that stuff. So I was like, I'm not even going to worry about it. Now, we know there's a lead problem, if there is, but I've been using my Berkey to hopefully resolve that problem, that issue. So yeah, guys, I think that's pretty much going to do it for me in this video. I appreciate you guys for stopping by and watching all the Vlogmas vlogs. And let me know, do y'all like all all my little finds here. I really, really like these. I really like these tanks. I really do. So yeah, guys, I think that's gonna be it. I hope y'all enjoyed the little intermission. Just something to do extra. I don't know what's gonna be in the next vlog, but whatever I do, like I said, I will bring y'all and do what I can because that's all I have. And yeah, just keep enjoying the content. And from time to time, we're actually ahead. To be honest with y'all, we're actually ahead on the Vlogmas vlogs than we are trying to get them out, because I think some of them I basically did like 2 in 1, and I think I started when December hit. I started, and then I did the playlist. So check out the playlist. It will have all the Vlogmas 2025 videos in it. So guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. I appreciate you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to get in those comment section and let me know what y'all think and what would you do, because I really want to know. I want to read some of y'all's comments, okay? So with that being said, always remember to do what? Love yourself so you be a love of others, so this world will be a much better place. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. So I thought I'd throw this into the vlog. This is what I'm having for dinner tonight. So this is bell peppers, all the different color bell peppers, and shallots, onions, and I got some sliced tomatoes with a little bit of seasoning on it, and it's going down. I'll see you guys in the next vlog, the next Vlogmas vlog. Look at that. Ooh, wait, that look good. I know. Let me know in the comments. It's really good. It's gonna be going down in this piece.